All right, let's dive in. In this explainer, we have one mission to help you ditch the mouse and become a true keyboard commander. We're going to unlock all that power hiding in the CTRL key and show you how to work way faster and a whole lot smarter, from A all the way to Z. So, does this sound familiar? You spend what feels like half your day just clicking, dragging the highlight text, hunting through menus, clicking save, then clicking print. It's slow, it's super repetitive, and let's be honest, it's a total drag. But what if I told you that for almost every one of those mouse clicks, there's a powerful, instant command just waiting for you at your fingertips? Seriously, each one removes a little bit of friction, and that lets you stay in the zone, in the flow of your work. So today, we're going to uncover those commands and show you exactly how to use them. Okay, let's kick things off with our first toolkit. These are the absolute essentials for editing text. Think of these as the foundational commands you'll be using constantly. They are the bedrock of your new, much faster workflow. First up, the powerhouse, Control+A. Instead of that tedious click and drag to select a whole document, just one simple press grabs everything. It is the perfect first step for any big change, like copying an entire article or changing the font on a whole report in one go. Now, these next few shortcuts, they're not just individual tools. They actually work together like a seamless little team. You can think of this as the core workflow for moving information around. It's like a three-step dance that's going to become second nature in no time. So first, you got to decide, are you moving this text or are you duplicating it? CTRL+X, or cut, is kind of like picking something up to move it to a new house. It's gone from where it was. But CTRL+C, copy, that's like using a photocopier. The original stays exactly where it is. And of course, CTRL+V is the place it down command. It doesn't matter if you just cut something or copied it, this is how you put it down in its new home. It's the essential second half of the move. And now for the magic safety net. Did you accidentally delete an entire paragraph? No sweat, just hit Control+Z to undo it. And then if you change your mind, and you actually want it gone, just hit Control+Y to redo that deletion. This combo is basically your own personal time machine, and it lets you work without fear. Okay, so now that we can edit text super fast, let's look at our next toolkit, making it look good, all without ever touching that mouse. This is all about adding impact and clarity in just an instant. Here they are, the big three of formatting. You've got Control+B for bold, to really make a point. You have Control+I for italic, to add a little subtle emphasis. And Control+U to underline a key term. 3 commands, instant visual punch. But what if you need more control? You want to get fancy. Well, that's where CTRL+D comes in. This shortcut pops open the entire font menu, giving you access to all the different typefaces, sizes, colors, effects, everything all in one window. It's your command center for advanced styling. Editing and formatting are awesome, but they don't help much if you're lost in some 100-page document. So this next set of commands is all about navigating your work with some serious speed and precision. Think of these commands as your document's built-in GPS. Control+F lets you find any word instantly. Control+G lets you go to a specific page without all that endless scrolling. And Control+H, wow, this one is incredibly powerful. It doesn't just find a word. It can replace every single instance of it. So if you misspelled a name throughout an entire report, this fixes it in seconds. Game changer. Now, for anyone out there who's connecting ideas, this next shortcut is absolutely essential. You just highlight a phrase, press Control+K, and you can instantly turn that text into a clickable link. It's perfect for adding sources or references without ever breaking your stride. Right, so keyboard shortcuts aren't just for the text inside your document. Nope, they also give you command over the files themselves and the entire layout of your page. You can pretty much forget the file menu. Control+N for a new document. Control+O to open an existing one. Control+S is your best friend, save your work constantly. Control+P brings up the print menu, and Control+W closes whatever you're working on. Honestly, these 5 commands cover about 90% of all your file management needs. You can also become a bit of a layout designer with just a few keystrokes. Just select a paragraph and use Control plus L, R, or E to snap it to the left, right, or center. And for that really clean, professional, block-like look you see in books, Control plus J justifies the text. Beautiful. Ever need to set off a block quote or just create some nice visual structure? Well, Control plus M indents the entire paragraph for you. And if you want to remove that indent, Control plus Q clears it right out. It's a really simple trick that gives your documents a much more professional and organized feel. Okay, we have covered a lot of ground. But information is pretty useless unless you actually put it into practice. So, here's your challenge to turn all this knowledge into real action. Don't, and I mean don't, try to learn all 26 shortcuts at once. That's a recipe for disaster. Just pick 3. That's it. 3 new commands from everything we've talked about today that you think will make the biggest difference in your daily work. See, the key here is that we're not studying for a test. We're building muscle memory. The goal is to make these commands so automatic that you don't even have to think about them anymore. That's when you really, truly become a keyboard commander. So here is your mission, should you choose to accept it, for the next 24 hours. Pick your 3 shortcuts. Use each one at least 5 times, and just pay attention to how it feels. Notice that little moment of save time, that smoother flow from one thought to the next. You've got the tools, you've got the knowledge. You no longer have to be a servant to the mouse. You are now officially in command of your keyboard. So, I'll leave you with this question. Of all the commands we've gone over, which one are you going to master first? Pick one and start that journey from mouse dragger to keyboard commander right now.